Okay, so we're going to be trying the Delta 8 THC Taffy Relief, 150 milligrams of total cannabinoids, right? But we're going to be trying it in the flavor caramel, right? Taffy Burst, caramel. Now, we're not going to do the whole thing. You get the scissors. Handy dandy scissors. We're going to cut it in half. You can see the taffy. Look at the taffy. Ooh, yes, this is a real taffy. And yes, the other flavor I tried was freaking amazing. And I just sleep like a baby. I sleep on the clouds. I'm fully rested and I have no pain. So let's go ahead and do this. Here we go. Bon appetit, or what is it called? Yeah, what do you say? Like, ciao? I don't know. It's not ciao. What is it? It's buen provecho. That's what it's called. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so good. This is so good. It tastes like one of those caramels that you get at the counter before you check out. Those nice gooey caramels, what it tastes like. Now, originally when you bite into the taffy, you get that full flavor of sugar, of flavors, but if you chew and chew and chew and chew it, eventually you're going to get a little bit of that THC taste, a little bit. And when I say a little bit, it's a little bit. In comparison to all the other stuff I've tried, it's a little bit. This tastes so freaking good. It's like a treat right before you go to bed or right before you're going to rest. I'll post a link in the description and the comment section so you guys can check it out. Really super good. And you know what? If you're missing or you're wanting not just the THC, but you're also wanting some CBD, you can also try the Evan 37. This is a CBD infused tincture. And I have tried a lot of tinctures, guys. This is the best flavor tincture ever. This is in tropical. They have spearmint and unflavored as well. But if you just want to get totally relaxed, I would totally try CBDism. CBDism. Delta 8 THC Taffy Burst. Like, this is the flavor I'm trying tonight. Freaking awesome. So I'm going to go to sleep. I'm going to rest. I'm going to enjoy my dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video.